Welcome back. Today we are going to tone our arms. We're going to do this by doing push-ups as well as tricep dips. The push-ups are going to work our biceps, this front of our arms to help us to lift our groceries, and then the tricep dips are going to work the back of our arms called the tricep. Definitely this makes us stronger. There are modifications, so feel free. You can at any point in time, everything that we're doing on the mat, you can either do it on your knee, you can do it on your toes, or you can even get up and do it on the wall. Just apply the same concept. And for beginners, you can do 3 sets of 10, just advance gradually, and when you get used to it, you can do 3 sets of 20. Consistency is what matters. It's not about just doing a whole lot and then getting fatigued. You want to make sure that you ease yourself into it. You are your own competition. Nobody else. You're your best teacher. You know what works for you. So let's get to it. So to start off with our push-ups, very, very important. We're going to start off making sure that our legs are together. I'm going to start off the push-ups on my knee, and then we'll advance to extending up. But when you do this, you want to make sure that you're engaging your abdomen, right? Gauge it. Don't hunch your back. Don't tuck like that. You just want it to be like a flat, if a plate was placed on your back, it won't tilt over. You want to make sure now. You see I have a towel here. You can use this if you don't want to take pressure off your wrist. You can use it, but if not, you'd rather not, you just put it aside. So you want to make sure that your hands are far out wide, and we're starting on our knees far, and then you're going to push forward. So let's start off. 1. The key thing is that you're not going to put your neck, you're not pushing your neck, you're staying up, like there's something right there that you're trying to avoid. So you go down. 1, 2, 3. So you're pushing away. And of course, if you want to go on your knee, you feel more comfortable, make sure that your form is ready. You go on your knee and you push 1, 2, 3. All right. The key thing is that you want to make sure that your form is right. Now, I don't have the best upper muscle strength. That's why I'm doing this, so that I can tone every day. Get better every day. All right. You can do pulses there if you like. Now, let's do the triceps. Triceps could be a little tricky. Same thing. Again, if you want to use your towel, so it can be additional support, you can do that. But you're going to have it this way, and you're going to bend. Now, the point is you want your elbow facing out, so pointing. You don't want it this way. So you want it this way, and you're pushing that way. 1, 2, 3. And don't forget to breathe in and out. 4, 5. Now, if you want to give yourself some additional, you can lift this way. 1. Exhale and inhale. Okay, so that's a lot of workouts, a lot of arm work. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, remember, advance is tolerated.